Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carrie and today I am unboxing my first ever Play by Sephora box. This is the final result if you want to see what my thoughts and impressions are of all of the products in Sephora Play as a whole. Please keep watching. I got my Sephora Play box in the mail today, and so we're going to unbox that, but before we do that I want to talk a little bit about the other thing that I got in the mail today, which is the Texas House of Glitters. It was like a make your own glitter palette. I tried it out today. All the glitters go on your eye and you don't need glitter glue, which is pretty cool. And I obviously tried it out because I have glitter all over my face and I cannot get it off. So if you see little specks of glitter on my face throughout this video, that is why. We're going to start unboxing my Sephora Play box. So I think the packaging is really cute that it got mailed in. This little like black and white classic Sephora sort of thing going on. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, if I can, which I don't know, because I don't have any nails. And then we're just going to go through each product. I'm going to give you a review of each product individually, and then the box as a whole. So the first thing that I have in the box is this little pamphlet. It has a beautiful 2018 and it gives you like a New Year's resolution for each month of the year. So that's kind of cool. And then there's a little beauty shelf life right here that tells you how long things last. And of course you get the 50 beauty insider points for, you know, the Sephora rewards card. So it gives you extra points if you make a purchase in store before February 28th. And then on the back side, it tells you everything that's in your glam bag. This is an Ipsy. In your Sephora Play box. I'll just go through each of them individually. So there is the bag that all the products come in. It's pretty cute. Happy New Year, it says. Because it's January. So the first thing I'm pulling out is a Makeup Forever Artist Face Color. So this is a blush. And it's a nice... Oh man, I got glitter all over myself. Fuck. So it's a nice little pink color, peachy color. It's kind of a small little sample size, so I don't know about that. Okay, so I've got a tiny bottle of the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. So I guess this is like a primer and a moisturizer in one, so you don't have to moisturize and then prime your face before you do your makeup. You just put this on. So we'll try that out later. And then I got the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. We'll try this out first since it's cleaning. Okay, so let's see what else is in this bag. I still have a couple more things. So there's the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. So we'll try this a little bit after doing the cleansing foam. And then I also have, let's see, what is this? Pericone MD H2 Elemental Energy Hydrating Cloud Cream. So I think this is for your face. And then I have a couple samples of Moroccan Oil shampoo and conditioner. I'll try these out at a different time. I'm not going to try these out during the video because I don't want to take a shower right now. Okay, so now that I've gotten all the stuff out, let's go try out the Glam Glow, and I'll be going to the bathroom for this. So, see you there. Okay, so we're in the bathroom. I'm going to be trying out the Glam Glow Super Cleanse. So the first thing it says to do is to put a generous amount in your hand, and then add water. So I think this is a generous amount. So we're going to add some water. And then it says to rub together until it makes a foam, which is not really doing, is it? That's not a phone. Am I insane, or is this just not working? Did I put too much water? What the fuck? Okay, so then it says to put it on your dry face, so that's what I'm going to do. It says to avoid the eye area. I don't know about this. It smells kind of funky. It smells like licorice. Maybe I just don't have enough water. Ah, there we go. Okay, and then it says to just rinse it off, so I guess we'll do that. So it, I don't know, it kind of smells like black licorice, which is not my favorite scent. Also, fennel. Smells like fennel.
Which is the same.
Yeah. And it's kind of burning now that I've rinsed it off, which I don't know if that's like a good thing or a bad thing. But my face does feel really tight and clean. But I mean, like, I think I'll probably just keep using my normal face routine at night and in the morning, because I'm not really a fan of the black licorice scent. It's kind of gross. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the room and do the rest of the video there. Okay, so let's continue with our video. We'll start with the cloud cream, and I'm not gonna put this on my T-zone because my T-zone gets really oily, and with creams, especially in the T-zone, it kind of just makes my face greasy for the rest of the day. My face feels really soft after doing the Glam Glow moisturizer, or not moisturizer, the Glam Glow cleanser. Man, I still have glitter on my face. I don't know how I'm ever gonna get that off. Okay, so that felt nice and cool. Doesn't really have a scent at all. I don't really know what to say about this. I mean, it just feels like a cream moisturizer. So if you like cream moisturizers, probably like this one. Actually, it's not leaving my skin greasy at all. Normally with creams, I have that problem, but this one isn't doing that. It's kind of like a gel cream hybrid, I would describe it. Feels nice. Okay, now I'm gonna try the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. Oh, it looks like a little lip balm. That's weird. Doesn't have any directions, so I'm just gonna apply this like any other eye cream that I would. So I have a tiny bit on my finger, and I'm just gonna dot it underneath my eye. I still have the scent of the Glam Glow cleanser. It smells like black licorice on my hands. I don't like that. Ugh, I cannot get over that scent. If you do not like black licorice, you're not gonna like this. Ugh. So the good news about this eye cream is that it is not greasy. So if you have like oily eyes, it won't make it too greasy. I've used some eye creams that are just like straight up oil. And then the one drawback that I'm kind of feeling from this is that it's not greasy, but it's like a little bit sticky. Also, it's kind of making my actual eyes sting a little bit, so if you have sensitive eyes, I probably wouldn't use this. But overall, it's okay. I'm still liking the cloud cream. This eye cream's okay. But let's move on to the primerizer. So this is from Smashbox. And then after I do the primerizer, I'm just going to do my makeup like I normally would, and we shall see if it holds up against my greasy nose, because that's normally a problem for me. How do I even get this? What? Oh, so it has hyaluronic acid in it. I don't know. I think that'd be helpful. Oh, it's like liquid. I thought it would be more like a cream. Weird. Interesting. So I'm just gonna put this. Whoa, it is like liquid. It kind of reminds me of something gross that I'm not gonna say. So I'm gonna put this here. So the scent isn't that pleasant. Kind of smells like chemicals a little bit. Feels nice and cool going on the skin, but it's kind of a weird consistency. So now that that's on the skin, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and then we'll try out the blush. Okay, so obviously I have all my makeup on now, and the only thing left to test out is the blush, so I left off blush. So this is the Makeup Forever Artist Face Color, and I am not sure what color this is. I guess B302. I don't know. It's kind of a peachy pink shade, which I don't know if that's gonna match the rest of my makeup, but we'll see. So I'm just gonna dip in here a little bit. And this is such a tiny pan. Okay, and we're just gonna put it where I normally would. So it's a pretty natural shade, which doesn't really match the rest of my makeup, but it's pretty, I like it. It would look good on the everyday. Now that that is finished, I'm gonna review all of the products that came in my bag. So first up is this Glam Glow Super Cleanse. I think it did what it said it was going to do, and I liked it. The only thing I didn't like was that it stung afterward. Also, the smell. Like, my hands still smell like black licorice, and that is sort of disgusting. Like, if you don't like black licorice or fennel, you're not gonna like this because it really does smell like that. Next up, we have the Perricone MD Hydrating Cloud Cream. This one, I like the way that it moisturized. It didn't feel too heavy. It felt moisturizing but not oily. So this one gets a thumbs up for me. After that was the Clinique Pep Start, which I liked, but I'm probably going to keep using my same eye cream. I mean, it was fine. Nothing wrong with it, but it wasn't like out of this world amazing. I don't have anything to say about it, I guess. It was okay. Okay, and then after that we have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, which is a primer and moisturizer in one. So a couple things about this. It felt nice going on the skin. I liked it. It did a pretty good job, but there is one thing. I've only had my makeup on for 20 minutes, and already underneath my nose it's starting to come off, and it sunk. My makeup started sinking into my pores, which it doesn't do with the normal primer I use, which is the Benefit Porefessional. So the only thing that I changed doing my makeup was the primer. So I think that's probably what made the makeup kind of like cave into my pores a little bit around my nose. Okay, and then last but not least is the Makeup Forever Artist Face Color, the blush. It's a pretty color, but I already have so many blushes in this kind of shade that I don't really need another one. I think it was fine, I guess. I don't know. So, the Sephora Pay Box on the whole. What are my final thoughts? My final thoughts are that I'm kind of upset. This is my first Sephora Play Box, so I don't know if this is how it's going to be forever, but I'm kind of upset that 4 out of the 5 things that I got in my box were skincare products. Like, it wasn't makeup. Like, I already have a skincare routine that I really like, and I don't really need any more skincare products. I want to build up my collection of makeup and find out what works for me and what doesn't, and like the only makeup that they sent me was the blush in a shade that pretty much everyone has. So comparing this to the Ipsy January 2018 Glam Bag, Ipsy wins hands down. Like, it came with a full-sized eyeliner, a full-sized liquid lipstick, a full-sized eyeshadow, And then it also came with a sample size highlighter, and then the only skincare product I got in there was a mask, and the mask worked great. Like, I liked the mask. So if you're like thinking pros and cons, which one you want to get, I would definitely go with the Ipsy. Much better bag, hands down. I don't know what else to say. Sephora has to step up their game. These were all tiny, tiny sample sizes. I didn't get one full-size thing. I mean, I guess the Glam Glow was in like a normal, like a mini size, not a sample size. But everything else was so tiny. So little. And I wasn't really that impressed with any of it. Like, none of this was like, yes, I need this in my life. You know what I'm saying? Like, with the Ipsy bag, I use the eyeliner that they give me almost every single day, and I also use the mask twice a week, and I use the liquid lipstick sometimes. Yeah. So those are my final thoughts. Let me know what you guys think. If you got a Sephora Play box this month, please let me know what you got, if you have the same things that I got, and what your thoughts about the box are, because I'm not impressed. Okay, so I'll leave this video here. If you like what you saw today, if you want me to do more reviews like this, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more stuff out of my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any ideas of what I can do in my next video, please leave me a comment down below. Alright, bye guys.